Hello, everybody. This is Vlogmas day 4, and I'm coming to you today to talk to you a little bit about what is on my schedule often on Saturdays. And for some of you, you don't work weekends, and that's totally fine. But I choose to make my schedule in a way that really fits my family, and I'm even in the process of shifting some of that now, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit in this video because I've gone through several different iterations of what my schedule could and should look like. If you guys are new, my name is Anita. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist. I own FDS Creatives, and we're doing Vlogmas, the business edition. And it's been so fun to do these short little chatty videos. Guys, I'm not doing a ton of editing on these. Literally, I'm just excited to participate. And some of you might enjoy this kind of more laid back thought. Okay, so this is my calendar, and I actually have next year's also, trying kind of some different styles, seeing what I like. And how my schedule usually works is my husband does work full time, Monday through Friday. And so Saturdays, I tend to do a lot of my filming because I don't work on Sundays. And Saturdays give me a good option to film during daytime hours when somebody else can really be with my kiddos. I can make sure the noise level is going to be lower. And also, I have time to do things like look nice and whatnot. So I share that with you because when I'm home during the week, right, holding the baby and the toddler, often by like 1 o'clock, I have something on my shirt that is not something I put there, whether it be like the baby's snack or snot or whatever it is. And so, you know, there's just like, I'm not really in the headspace to do a lot of filming. So I batch film. I film my YouTube videos as well as batch film my short form videos. I film through the TikTok app, and then I use those videos on other different platforms. And so the reason I do that, most of it on Saturday, is because I have the opportunity. Now, how do I prepare for that? Well, I make sure that as I'm using TikTok or seeing things around the internet, that I continue to save different sounds that I like. And then when it comes to Saturday, I literally just film as many as I can. Now, this is not when I do the editing and add the words and some of the things that I'd like to do. What I do, however, make sure that I do is simply save them to my drafts. And then I have a 1-year-old who I'm nursing. There's times when I'm nursing, kind of editing videos, because that's something that I enjoy and gives me kind of a good opportunity to do it. So that's kind of my process on how I'm able to show up. Just to give an idea, let's see, how many drafts do I have
Those days that you don't
today? I have 24 drafts from filming today, and I posted one, so 25. And I did that in about an hour. So I'm super excited about that. Okay, so when it comes to my schedule, the first 4.5 years of my business, I didn't really have any help at home. So I did not have anybody helping me with the kids. I did not have anybody helping me with my house or anything like that. As my business has grown, I have seen the need, and I've added a child. Being a mother of 1 and running a business was easier than being a mom of 2 running a business. And really, I started my business to be able to be home with my kids and to make sure that I could spend time with them. And so I'm learning to ask for help and to get help in different areas, and have started doing that. And I'm doing more of that in December, January, and February, to really help me be as successful as I can be, but also knowing that I do not have to do everything. The things that are really exciting and special to me are doing the strategy for my clients, doing the work for my clients that that I feel like I can do really, really well. But there's little parts of my business, like some of the things for my own marketing. I don't have to be doing all of that. I can provide the strategy and then help to open up opportunities for other people to learn the skills that I can teach and then allow them to kind of work within my business. So I'm doing some of that. That is new to me, and I'm super excited about it. I have different people in my local area that I have kind of connected with, as well as a few people that I've known for a while remotely, that are just going to be doing some different things in my business. So I'm super excited about that. And I wanted to be transparent about that. Different levels of your business, you're going to be able to do different things. When I first started, I wasn't able to get help within the house, right? I wasn't able to really be in a place where I could teach because I was so much in trying to get clients and trying to like, do things that take longer, like setting up your landing pages and your email system and, starting your YouTube channel, figuring out what you're going to do. So I share this with you because I want you to know that sometimes when people are sharing things with you how they do things in their business, you have to decide what's going to work for you. What works for me is batch filming on Saturday because I've got little kids. I homeschool. I enjoy being home. But also, for some of you, that doesn't work. You want your Saturdays free. You want to go do other things. Now, listen, I do a lot of fun things too on Saturday. It's like midday Saturday. I really get this done. But if we had Saturday plans, I would schedule something differently. Okay. So I tell you that because I don't want you to feel pigeonholed into like one way to run a business. Really, there are multiple ways to be successful, and you just need to be committed to success and committed to figuring it out. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm figuring out how can I be the wife, the mother, the business owner that I want to be in this next stage of business while also keeping my priorities straight. So, okay, this was like a very chatty, longer thought, but hopefully it was interesting to you. I'd love to hear in the comments below. Tell me what your schedule looks like. When do you make your content? What does it look like for you to film? Especially if you have kiddos, but either way, I'd love to hear that. And then go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you're not. Always, I like to give helpful advice and help for you to grow your business. All right, bye.